Okay. Alright, guys. Let's see this. Let's get everything set up. We just got this thing started. This show on the road. Okay. Let's just... Do I really want to stream right now? Maybe. Maybe not. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. This is a trial run to test all my new settings. I'm not actually going to be doing any editing tonight because it's freaking 4 a.m. in the morning, but, you know, good to make sure I'm prepared, make sure everything's set up. That way I can be ready. It's also a test of my audio setup because I had some mic shopping issues before, so we're just going to see. Yep, it is the best site of all time. Wiki. I really do wish I could actually get in some editing right now, but again, it is 4 in the morning. I spent all night setting up this brush bug, bottom right I mean. So that's what this was all about, getting my OBS set up and everything, but damn, I'm glad I did, because it means that when tomorrow comes around, I actually have time to edit stuff when it's not like frickin' 4 a.m. I'll actually be able to, because I do want to get a little sleep in. I will give a brief explanation of what needs to be done though. So I am a lazy fucking bastard. How do I describe this? So 5 years ago, I started the Signs Explained page on the wiki, which basically explained every single sign we have and what it does. Like every single sign we were able to solve. I haven't edited this thing in 2.5 years, and no one's really added new content properly in all that time. So now that the anime's out, we've reached critical mass, and people are like starting to notice that I've been a lazy fuck. So I actually need to pick up, get my shit in gear and actually start editing now. But it is 4 a.m. So yeah, you know what? Maybe we can start. We can start. So I know what I should start with. We'll start with Crosshair. Okay. So Crosshair is special because it this one, how do I even describe Crosshair? So, you know what? I know exactly what to do. Here. Oh, I'm on the wiki Twitter. I forgot about that. Let's not show everyone my password. Okay, that would be bad. But is it on Tumblr? Nah. But basically, Crosshair, how it works is whenever you have Crosshair on a spell, the magic will manifest inside of the main element of the spell. But we didn't know that for certain. And so, someone already edited it. They beat me to the punch last night. But basically, what it does is it makes it so the magic only manifests inside the thing that's in the center of the spell. So if you have a water sigil in the center, it will manifest stuff inside of water. So let's go to Rain Flinger. This one right here. Water spell. Water in the center. Crosshair. So it's going to manifest stuff inside of water. In this case, fire. Which means that it instantly vaporizes all water. Turns it directly into steam. And it protects you from the rain. Kifra uses it in... what chapter, bro? Damn. Chapter 8, I guess. In like episode 5? 4? 5 of the anime? Maybe 6? I don't remember. I need to watch the new episode, but yeah. So Radial. Someone's beating me to this. They're doing my fucking job for me. I don't like that. These guys are beating me to... Dude, it's too fucking early. It's 4 a.m. I don't have a plan. This was just a trial run to get my streaming software set up, so... You know what? I might actually just go to bed. That might be nice. I'll try to find one thing to do. Pull. Oh my god, my brain. Ugh. Let's see. Diamond. Window. Enlarge. Crosshair. Oh, I know what I can do. Oh, I know exactly what I can do. Oh, we don't have time. Okay, hold on. Let's get an image of that. So, can I get it? Let me do something real quick. I'm gonna get Krita set up real quick. We're gonna open something. So, documents, time Is it in there? No? Why is Krita being such an asshole? Why are you so mean to me? Time stop. It's gotta be somewhere. Okay, mega topics, which had... I'm just navigating through my files real quick to pull up the file. Boom, 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 boom. Magic. Spell Raws. Time stop. Where is it? Time. Krita, why don't you have a search function? Who designed you? Dog. Okay. Documents. Time stop. Okay. It's chapter 66. So time stop is chapter 66, which is volume 12. Yes, volume 12. And so time stop is right here. Let's open that. All right. Now let's change what I'm streaming. OBS. Do not shut off laptop. That would be really fucking bad. Okay. Wiki editing, blah, blah, blah. Game capture. Okay. Capture any full screen, capture specific window. Krita. Okay. Let's pull Krita. Oh, I'm concerned. Why is it not doing anything? Properties. Krita? Yeah. Why aren't you doing it? I'm scared. Is this audio? No, it's game capture. Fuck it. We aren't doing game capture. We will just do specific window. Alright, window capture. Okay. Krita. There you go. And let's get him back up here. So. Alright, cool. We got it. We got it. Okay. Okay. Time stop. Shit, it's not on this image. Fucking hell. Okay. Time stop. Where's her gloves? Glove. File. You know what? I can just copy it from Discord, can't I? Okay. I've had many a spell conversation. Magic discussion. Time stop. As image from chromatic. What the fuck was from not working? Bro, what is Discord doing? Time stop. Doesn't matter who it's from. It doesn't have to be for me. What? What are you doing, Discord? There we are. Okay. Here we go. I finally found it. Boom. As web. Boom. Okay, time stop. So, we have our time stop. Oh my god, I'm such a mess. Okay, so, on the wiki, we always do things in one color. Whenever we do spells, there's only one hex code we use. It's 108 for the color value of red. I forget what that value is exactly, but that's always what we have to draw our spells in. So we're going to open as a layer one of the old spells in my library that I digitized. Magic, seals, where's the digitized one? Scale Wolf, we use you as a template, that seems reasonable. Where the, no, he's small, okay. Alright, let's start this. So, time stop. This is what we're working with. Oh wait, I can grab for warmth retention too, can't I? Alright, let's do that actually. So time stop is very self-explanatory. It stops time. I don't think anything else needs to be described really. Why is my Twitter? Why can't I log in? Bro. It's annoying as hell. Continue. Oh, fuck you, Twitter. Okay, you're an asshole. Alright, Google Docs. It's in there somewhere. So in Witch Hat Kitchen, there's a spell called Warmth Retention. Actually, is that its name? That might be not be its name. All right, petrification. All right, petrification spell review. Yes, it is called warmth retention. So in Witch Hat Kitchen, chapter 25, page 8, there is a spell that is drawn on a dragon egg to turn it into a crock pot that maintains a constant temperature. So how do you make it so temperature can't change? Well, you take a time stop spell and put a fire sigil in the middle. So yeah, you have a lot of options with this bad boy. So we need triangles. That's the first order of business. And not these bum-ass triangles. These bum-ass triangles are for something else entirely. And I'm too lazy to draw this properly, so we're just gonna raw it up. Just, you know what, maybe I don't use that phrasing. But we're just gonna manually do this because I'm a lazy bastard. Wait a minute, what the fuck am I doing? I have a drawing tablet now. Okay. Drawing tablet. Oh boy. Let's not drop anything. Alright. So let's see if I can even use this thing properly, because I'm absolute ass. Alright. I guess I can't. Let's just make this from scratch. Why the fuck not? Alright, circle. Circle tool. Width. 3 pixels? 4 pixels? What does this do? What the fuck? Oh, it's my brush diameter, isn't it? Okay, okay, interesting. Alright, so we go from, I need my color. Dog, it's too late for this shit. Oh, I don't know. This isn't my normal application. It's Krita. I need to get better at using it. But how the fuck do I do that? I don't know. Oh, wait a minute. I'm just stupid. I can color select this. Yeah, okay. You're alright. Perfect circle. Let's just do... No. You bum. Alright. That seems reasonable. Is that roughly equal in size? It doesn't need to be an exact... Oh, layer issues. I don't care. I'll just make a new layer. New, add paint layer. Boom, boom, boom. It can be bigger. It doesn't have the triangles coming off the sides. So, alright, we're making time stop. That's too small. Okay. You know what? Why don't I just... You know, it would be way easier on me if I would just open it off the bat in a different tab and then switch between them. Yeah. New, add paint layer. Oh, what? No, circle. Fuck. Alright, 6. We'll go 7. Oh shit, I said the thing. Ignore that, guys. I'm not insane. Believe me. Alright, and now we go there. No, we go there. Yes. That's actually pretty much centered. What the fuck? Let's just scooch you down. Yeah, you're good. You're chilling, bruh. You're chilling. Chilling like a villain. Alright, now, oh, now another one in the center. How big should it be? It's up to me, actually. It's kind of by my discretion. Oh, should have done that on a different layer. Add paint layer, boom, boom, boom. Warmth retention. This is probably the weirdest way I've ever spent my 4 AM. We need a dot in the center. That's not centered. That's centered. No. Yes. Thumbs up. Triangles. Okay. Ooh, should I do... Can I do radial symmetry? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know, bro. Don't ask me these questions. I'm just vibing. Let me read chat real quick. Connecting the world server, blah, blah, blah. One time I made a video recording magic contraption on TikTok and far too many people thought it was a vibrator spell. That is okay. You know what? That's pretty funny. Opinions on the Able adaptation. What do you mean the Able adaptation? I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. You know what? We're just gonna lock the fuck in. Oh, it does 45-degree angles for me automatically. Let's make that a new layer. Is that a new layer? No. Anime. So, okay, what do you think? So the adaptation is fucking peak. The animation, phenomenal. The voice acting, even fucking better somehow. I don't know why. I like the dub more than the sub. And that's like so uncharacteristic of me. It's just I feel like they captured the characters' vibes better in the dub than they did in the sub. But that's just me. But the anime is really, really good because it's made a lot of corrections to spells that were kind of fucked in the past. So some spells that used to be fucked got fixed. So they're no longer issues like they were before. Unfortunately, there are many that weren't fixed and some that were made worse. But for the most part, they were improved. So I don't have too many complaints. Overall, I am satisfied with the quality of the adaptation. And yeah, I feel like Bug Films fucking delivered somehow. You know, based on the clauses of the contract I had for my licensing deal with Kodansha back in, when was it? 2023? Or 2024, yeah. I figured out that the anime was originally supposed to come out in fall 2025 just based on the clauses, but the delays moved it to spring. So that was interesting. Control C, Control V, boom, boom, boom. A lazy bastard, so we copy paste. There's a lot to do and not much time to do it, so I feel I'm justified. Control C, Control V one more time. Let's do this. I'm not very good at reading chat, but you know, it's late. I'm tired. Y'all can cope. This is mid. This was a mid. Yeah, this is kind of subpar, actually. that's pretty funny. What the fuck did I do? How did I fuck this up? Oh, that's what I did. Okay. We'll fix that. This is offset to the wrong. Why is there two of you? That is not what I want to see. Okay, Control. Oh, you're a. Oh. When will I get to before? Okay, there we are. That would explain a lot. Yeah, okay. Control C, Control V, rotate. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Yes. Select. Deselect. What? Oh, where's deselect? The fuck? Oh, I'm not. Oh, yeah, I'm in transform tool. Never mind. Boom. Oh, man. You know what? This will just be a template. Layer. New. Add paint layer. Because see this? It's all fucked from the rotation. So I need to redo it. I'll re-chat in a second. Once I have this spell done, I'll do a crazy backlog. So warmth retention is pretty cool. It shows that we can stop things selectively, just stop their time. So something that people like to come up with sometimes is spells to like basically freeze air so it can't move. So you use air and time stop. That has the potential to really stop air from moving, which could trap you in place, which is pretty neat. There's also using water and time stop to freeze water in time, so you can walk on it and cosplay as Jesus for a minute, which is A little sacrilegious if you ask me, but you know, you get some aura for it, so you can be forgiven, you know. What's another thing you can do with time stop? This is the most disproportionate time stop I've ever seen, but it's not like we have more than 3 examples. So actually, what's the one on Ninity's hand look like? Oh, it's not disproportionate based on this one. Okay, perfect. I love that Sensei is inconsistent because it means I don't have to be consistent. It really does make my life easier and harder at the same fucking time. And it is a crazy thing. That is, I pressed shift. You should have been aligned to the axis. There we go. Don't be an asshole. Boom. Boom. Time stop. Let's go. Alright, and now we just need a dot of sufficient size. Maybe this is good? That looks good. Okay, that's not centered. That is centered, but it's too small, isn't it? Yes. Yeah, you can see I was making the thumbnail a second ago. Let's go a little bigger. Oh, let's go a little bigger. Like that. No. No, too small. That looks good, but that's off-centered. That looks okay. That's acceptable. And lastly, where are you? Okay, you're there. You gotta get rid of the overlaps. Okay. Where the fuck is my layer? There we are. No? What the hell? Oh, yeah, that's why. That explains a lot. Okay, fuck. I didn't have them merged because I'm stupid. Oh, wait, I don't want them merged. What am I doing? No. Okay, what are you? You're good. You're gone. You stay. You're there. Why is this like that? Did I forget to do one? What? No, what? Huh? What the fuck? Did I draw them for everything? What the hell am I doing? Okay. I don't remember doing that. It is way too late. What do I even want to erase? What do I and don't I want to erase? Dog, what the fuck did I do? That's actually insane. Okay, I had that. So I should just, yeah, what the hell am I doing? No! This is too big. That's better. No, wrong layer. God damn it. See, I haven't edited the wiki properly in 2.5 fucking years. This is entirely 1000 fucking % a skill issue. I have such a skill issue right now, dog. It's actually diabolical. Okay. Can I not erase you? Are you gonna be... Okay. How's that look? How's that look, chat? Okay. You know what? I think that's acceptable. That is a decent time stop. We can put it on the wiki now. File, export, documents, mega topics, witch hat, magic, seals, time stop. Boom. Okay, time stop is done. Oh shit, it needs a background, doesn't it? Let's see. Did I export it as transparent ping or did I export it as normal ping? Time stop. QRST. I exported it as normal ping. Perfect. You know what? That works out. Okay. Time stop. Time stop, time stop, time stop. Where am I? Where, bro? I am so tired. Control F. Time. Time. Time, time, time. Time. What? Oh, it's a sigil. I'm stupid. Sigils explained. No, don't leave it. No, explained. Oh, it is 4 a.m. Edit. Control F. Time. Stop. Stop! We found you. Oh yeah, motherfucker. All right. Image. Oh shit. Do I still have Krita on top? I do. Fuck, I gotta change that in OBS. Boom. There we go. Alright. I'm going to go through chat. Once this is done. Select file. Jesus Christ, I have a lot of files. Mega topics, witch hat, magic. Why aren't you auto opening, bro? Why don't you remember? Oh, because that doesn't make sense though. What the fuck? Seals. Time's up. This is my own work. It literally is. Fuck. I don't remember the format. Okay. You know what? Sign sigils. Blah 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 blah. Really? That's kind of lazy, Chroma. I uploaded this shit. Damn, I'm a lazy asshole. Okay. Okay, what did I do? Fire sigil? Did I fucking link to that? What was I doing? What was I thinking back in 2020? What the fuck? That's when I uploaded this, right? When was this? View history. 2021 in February. What the what was she doing? What did you do? Why did you come here? Excuse me? Yoshikora, the motherfucker who dipped? What did you do to this page? Hold on. Why were you here? Compare selected revision. What did you do? That's not a spell image. Why did I write it like this? What the fuck? Who fixed it? Muso fixed it? Oh my god, Muso fixed my bum-ass mistake. That's hilarious, bro. Oh my god. Okay. Hashtag fire 2. Fire sigil. What? Oh. Wait, what? Huh? What? Hashtag fire 2. What? Fire 2? What? Duplicate. Fire. What? Fire. Oh. Oh. Fire 1, fire 2. So that would be... it would be... Where's time? So it'd be time 2, time 3. Time 3? Time 3. Right? Okay. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Signs explained. Time underscore 3. Stop. Sigil. Drawn by chromatic flare. Licensing. Self. Yeah, of course. Boom, 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 boom. That auto adds, doesn't it? No. Wait, does it? Okay, well, maybe. Who knows? Who cares? What? I'm slap. Redraw. Fuck it. Size 100. Is it a thumb? It is not a thumb. It is alt left. Align left. Format none. Insert. Okay. Alt equals. What's the alt equals 0? I mean, alt equal do. Who put that here? Why did you put that here? Who did that? Who the fuck? Why would you do that? That's not necessary. I don't understand, dog. People touch my page. I don't know what happened. 100x. That's the same thing. It doesn't matter. Let's see. Preview. Time stop. Ooh. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. It's really big though. So much bigger than everything else. That's funny. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Let's check my motherfucking upload. Boom. Did I fuck it? Stop sigil? Yes, I did. Okay. Do I need that link? Okay, fine. Wiki how to link to a section. Hash. What if I just do this? Oh! Oh, it's because there's two fires! Okay, it's just stop. That's what it was. Minor edit. Save changes. Stop. Yeah! What? Why is it not? Debug equals 3. What? No? What do you mean no? Did I not publish it? Oh, is that? I'm stupid. Added image 4 times. Stop. Boom. Reload. Let's go! That's fucking petrification. Oh, we have an error. We have a mistake. Boom, boom, boom. Warmth retention. Alphabetize, please. Who did this? You should alphabetize everything. Time stop. Is it warmth retention in the manga? Let me go grab my kitchen volume. Is 25? Chapter 25. Nope, that's 32. So volume 4. Right? Volume 4? Yes. 25.8. 25.8. Warmth retention seal. Yes, and it's hyphenated. Warmth retention seal. Let's go. Added warmth. What the fuck? Warmth retention seal. Yes, smiley face. I am so professional, guys. Okay, let's read chat because I have not been reading chat. Okay, we'll start from the very top. Why need sleep when you have the independent witch hat wiki? That is very true. At least 4 in the morning gets you a viewer from Europe. That is okay. I learned how to make spells from the site. Who needs which apprenticeship? You have the site. Everyone actually. So anyone worth their salt when it comes to making spells learns from other people. The people that just use the wiki are kind of bad at making spells. I'm going to be real with you. So you have to like actually interact with the spell making scene and other people and learn from them if you want to actually be good at anything. So yeah, it's actually really important to be an apprentice. The site is nowhere near enough. You need practical experience more than anything else. It really does help. All right. Did you already make a spellcrafting video course? Just asking for a friend. No. I have been trying to make one for 3 years, and I'm only halfway done with the script, so we're kind of fucked. There are fun questions, like in which sequence do the signs activate in a spell, clockwise, anti-clockwise, from inside out? Okay, it seems from outside in. Wait, no, inside out, yes. So normally spells don't activate in sequence, but there is one that did. It's Kifri's Water Dragon. That did activate in sequence from the outside in, the inside out. but nothing else we've ever seen activates in sequence. Normally to activate things in sequence, you have to like activate separate spells in sequence using some kind of mechanism. Let me demonstrate that actually. YouTube. Oh, look at that. How convenient. Shorts. Boom, boom, boom. Where the fuck is it? Like this. So normally to activate something in sequence, are you going to run? Yes? No? Excuse me. There we go. Remember to activate stuff in sequence, you have to literally close... Come on, Chroma. Just... Yeah. You have to close the circles in sequence, like one after the other. But, for some reason, Kifri's Water Dragon didn't have to do that, which was weird. It was very weird, so we're gonna figure that out one day, but we haven't figured it out yet. Alright. I don't think I noticed the color theme being the same all the time. Well, yeah, you know, I have to keep it consistent. Okay. Fellow dub lover, yep, the dub is amazing. What are you working on right now? I am working on updating the spell stuff for the wiki, but it's 4 a.m. and this was more supposed to be a trial stream to test that everything was working. Everything is working. But like I wanted to do at least something so it didn't seem like a useless stream. So we did literally one thing and it was this. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, refresh. It was, what the fuck? Where's the image? I swear to God, debug equals 2. Are you going to... What the fuck? What? Oh, wait. What? What happened? Motherfucker, what? Bro. Where's my image? I pressed update. What the fuck? View history. What the fuck happened? No. You're supposed to tell me when this shit happens. You're supposed to tell me this shit. Why didn't you? Fuck off. Oh my God. So what happened was, I edited the page on the wrong tab. It was a tab that wasn't updated yet. So I updated it on one tab, and then I didn't update it on the tab I was working on in the other tab. So I undid what I did. So now I have to... Oh, God. You're supposed to warn me about this. You're supposed to tell me, and you didn't. You fucking asshole. Okay. There we go. Blah, blah, blah. Get rid of that, because it doesn't need to be there. Because we don't need an alt text or anything like that. Okay. This fucking site, bro, I swear. It's not the site, it's me. I am a dum-dum. Undid and edit. Oops. Okay. I love being unprofessional. It's one of my favorite things. There we go. Now it's here. Take your time, good sir. Kind of shocked that time-altering spells wasn't forbidden. Feels real OP in some situations. It is, but there's heavy limitations on all of them, so it's kind of reasonable. But, you know, only kind of. Because, like, repetition... Actually, none of them are too busted. None of them are actually too crazy. Stop might be too crazy sometimes, because you can literally stop air. And then motherfuckers can't, like, even move because the air isn't moving out of the way when they're trying to move, so that's kind of busted. But, like, other than that, it's all pretty reasonable. Like, there's nothing too OP about any of them. Let's see here. Planning on making an in-universe study with my friends on magic. This wiki has helped greatly. I am very pleased that it's helped. Just be warned, it is hella dated, and I'm going to be fixing that over the next, like, 3 days. Worth indeed. Regarding sequence, I'm thinking in terms of when the hierarchy of when, then, and hierarchy as well. Like the center typically has hierarchy over other things, and outer circles and nested spells will typically inherit their inner ones. Let's see. Let's think of an example. Magic spells. It might not be on here. Let's find a nested hierarchy example. Nested hierarchy, like this. So this spell, you manifest repetition inside of the cloud that is formed by the collection of sand into a cloud. Okay, how the fuck do I explain this? Alright, so Wallbreaker breaks the earth, turns it to sand. Sand funneled into the spell, collected by the collection sign, turned into a cloud. Cloud is then reinforced repetition, so basically a save point is made for the cloud, and every time it deviates from that same save point, like it's crushed or squished or like deformed in some way, it will reset the back to how it was before. Sort of like how whenever you compress the shock absorbers on your car, your suspension will go back to where it was before. It's the exact same kind of deal. And so that keeps the cloud stable, so when a dragon sits on it, it doesn't get collapsed, so it acts like a fluffy bed. If it weren't for the cloud sigil in the center, or the cloud sign in the center, this would also repetition the dragon, which would freeze it basically 1 moment of time, so it would be living in an infinite loop. That doesn't happen because it's only affecting the cloud, because it's inheriting the cloud from the center. So the cloud has hierarchy over the rest of the spell. So you can kind of think about it like that. What's another thing that was asked? Hellos. I'm making a TTRPG campaign using Witch Hat's magic system. Would you have any tips for what to keep in mind with the spells? Dog. Learning spells takes fucking like 3 weeks. So the best thing I can offer you for help is to go to the Witch Hat Atelier Discord. Witch Hat Atelier Discord. Is it this one? This one. This Witch Hat Atelier Discord server. So this is the URL. Oh shit. Google Translate. What the fuck are you doing? No, be back. Yeah. So this Witch Hat server in particular, this is the URL. I'll post it in chat. Can I post it? Oh, I'm using a different PC to... You know what? Let's just... I don't need an echo chamber. We will... Yeah, it's fine. So just copy out this URL or just look up Witch Hat Discord on Google. And on here, we have a bunch of people who are really familiar with the magic system. We all gather in like one channel. Or like, now we have a forum instead of a single channel. But we basically will teach each other the magic system. We'll figure things out. We work together to learn as much as we can. Going there and getting like hands-on experience with magic and getting guidance from others is the single best way you can learn magic. Like, I can't really give you tips on how to make spells right here and now because it's a really involved process, and it's a lot easier through text. Oh god. Because like with text, it's easier to think through what you're saying, and it's easier to like you can reread, go familiarize yourself with things that didn't make sense, but like go here, ask for advice, just ask for like basically a crash course on magic, and there are tons of people who are willing to help. And thought and spell course, why not make live sessions and use what happens there to optimize your script? I'm not quite sure what that means. The way I teach the magic system is refined through years and years and years of just teaching person after person after person. So I've gotten pretty good at like knowing how to describe specific things and how to teach it. I'm using that as the basis for my video, but the part that's so difficult is the like integrating the plot sections and backstory and all those things, the non-magic stuff. That's the hardest part to write. So I don't really have to worry about magic for anything. It's just how to integrate it with everything else. So yeah. Oh no. Panic ensues. Most informative brush buddy I've ever met. Yep. Thanks for the explanations. Peak knowledge. Yep. Alright, so I think that is enough for my random ass rambling at 4... Oh, is it 5 a.m. now? What time is it? At 4:49 in the morning. Dog, I need to sleep. I am going crazy. So yeah, I will probably be streaming again tomorrow to actually do real work instead of just fumbling around all over the place because I'm like, bro, I'm so tired. But yeah, I had fun, and yeah, that's all about it. See you guys later. Stop streaming.